Are you grappling with financial challenges that make it difficult to afford your home, perhaps due to job loss or significant setbacks? If so, know that you're not alone. There are avenues to consider, starting with the CARES Act and the California Mortgage Relief Program, both of which are government-funded initiatives. Your state may also have similar programs available. Additionally, we'll explore the options provided by House Debt Relief. While not government-funded, House Debt Relief prioritizes your best interests. They offer personalized solutions tailored to your situation, including options like loan restructuring, cash payments for homes, and wraparound mortgages. These alternatives can be crucial in navigating foreclosure and finding a path to financial stability. The CARES Act, for instance, offers mortgage forbearance to homeowners with federally backed mortgages, allowing them to pause loan payments for up to 12 months, a valuable resource during tough financial times. To qualify for CARES Act forbearance, homeowners must have a federally backed mortgage, including loans insured by the FHA, Virginia, USDA, Fannie Mae, or Freddie Mac. This process doesn't entail any fees. Homeowners can simply reach out to their mortgage lender and explain their financial hardship to qualify. Understanding the consequences of forbearance is crucial for homeowners facing financial challenges. When the forbearance period ends, repayment of missed mortgage payments becomes due. This repayment can take different forms, such as a lump sum payment or a reinstatement plan based on the lender's terms. While some may consider a loan modification, I believe it's like an expensive band-aid. For instance, if you were behind 14 months, a loan modification could extend your loan up to 40 years and cost thousands of dollars. This approach often leads to higher long-term costs and may not be accessible for many homeowners. Instead, exploring alternatives like repayment plans or partial claim assistance can offer more sustainable solutions without compromising long-term financial well-being. Alternatively, the California Mortgage Relief Program provides government-funded support, assisting with missed mortgage payments and late property taxes. Unlike CARES Act forbearance, there's no repayment requirement for assistance received through this program. While some homeowners consider loan modifications, it's important to note that they may not always effectively address underlying financial challenges. Loan modifications can extend the loan term or change payment schedules, but might not be the best solution for everyone. I understand the stress you're facing, and I'm here to help. I highly recommend contacting the California Mortgage Relief Program and CARES Act first to explore potential assistance options. It's essential to exhaust all avenues to alleviate your financial strain. If you've already reached out to either program or didn't receive the help you needed, please don't hesitate to reach out to me. Together, we can explore further options and find a solution that works for you and your situation. Your well-being is my priority, and I'm committed to assisting you through this challenging time. Let's now explore other options. A wraparound mortgage, also known as an all-inclusive mortgage or wrap loan, is a type of financing arrangement where a new mortgage encompasses an existing mortgage. This creates a wrap around the original loan. In a wraparound mortgage, the homeowner, now the buyer, stays in the home and continues to occupy it while making payments to the seller based on the terms of the new mortgage, which wraps around the existing mortgage. This arrangement allows the buyer to use the property while the seller retains responsibility for the original mortgage. However, it's important to note that the specifics of a wraparound mortgage can vary based on the agreement between the buyer and seller, including details about ownership transfer, payment amounts, and potential risks involved. When dealing with an underwater loan lacking equity, homeowners often negotiate directly with their lender for a solution. One possibility is a short pay, where the lender accepts less than the full amount owed to settle the loan. However, not everyone qualifies for this option. A short pay occurs when a property is sold for less than the outstanding mortgage balance, typically due to the property's market value being lower than the mortgage amount. An underwater loan signifies that the outstanding balance exceeds the home's current market value. To address this, homeowners may consider a loan restructuring, involving the purchase of the loan from the lender and restructuring it with lower interest rates before returning it to the homeowner. However, this method is more applicable to jumbo loans and doesn't guarantee lender approval for restructuring terms. Navigating these processes can be intricate and may not always lead to favorable outcomes. Seeking advice from financial advisors or housing counselors can assist homeowners in exploring options and making informed decisions tailored to their circumstances. Deed in lieu of foreclosure process. A deed in lieu of foreclosure is an agreement between a homeowner and their lender when financial difficulties make it challenging to keep up with mortgage payments. Instead of going through the stressful foreclosure process, the homeowner voluntarily transfers the property back to the lender. Seller financing, also known as owner financing or seller carryback, occurs when the seller of a property provides financing to the buyer instead of, or in addition to, a traditional mortgage from a bank. Loan modifications involve altering the terms of your existing mortgage to make it more manageable. This can include changes to the interest rate, loan duration, or monthly payments. While loan modification offers benefits like lower payments, potential foreclosure avoidance, and temporary relief during financial hardships, it's crucial to weigh the drawbacks. Extending your loan term up to 40 years can result in higher total payments due to extended interest charges. Additionally, it's important to note that your auction date remains active during the loan modification process, unless halted by the relevant parties. At House Debt Relief, we empathize with the urgency of pre-foreclosure situations. That's why we offer direct access to cash buyers, ensuring a swift transaction within 7 days. Whether your property requires repairs or is in excellent condition, we purchase homes as is, streamlining the process for you. Our commitment to fairness ensures that we deliver competitive and equitable cash offers, tailored to your specific needs and circumstances. Don't hesitate to contact us if you're nearing foreclosure. We're here to help you avoid the auction of your home. While we've discussed various strategies for homeowners in this situation, it's important to note that these are just initial suggestions. The best approach depends on factors like timing, loan terms, and your specific financial challenges. Our goal is to work closely with you, understanding your circumstances and providing expert guidance on potential paths forward. Through collaboration and a thorough evaluation, we can effectively navigate the foreclosure process and develop a personalized solution that meets your needs. Reach out to House Debt Relief in Northridge, California, if you're facing foreclosure. Our dedicated team is committed to assisting you during this difficult time and finding the optimal solution for your situation. Call us at 310-940-8886 to begin your journey towards financial stability and peace of mind.